click on the content and go to the actual video. Click on the video, and under that video, I'll go to analytics. Scroll down because what I'm looking for is just down there under analytics, or you can go to engagement. So when you scroll down there, that is the retention graph. That, my friend, is our gold mine. I want you to look at one video that you are really comfortable with, you feel that it had most impact, and I want you to open Google Sheets, and I want you to create 8 columns, and on the first column we are going to put the video title. Next, we're going to look at the device where your viewers are watching from. After device, we'll put the view count, then the video length, and the average view duration. And we're going to leave a column blank where we're going to auto formulate. And the next column is going to also auto color. It will color code to give us a guide on how we're going to read our matrix. Then the next column is going to be divided in 2. It's a timestamp. And this timestamp is broken into the spike moment and the drop moment. And then the last column, we are going to write moment at spike. It's optional, but you can also put a column for moment at drop. And now here is how it works. Once you've keyed in all the metrics that are necessary, you've gotten them from your YouTube analytics, you're now going to go to where it matters most, and that is the AVD percentage. Because we've already auto-formulated, it has given us a percentage. And below, I created a kind of a guide to read our percentage from what performs most and what performs least, to guide us on what we need and what we may need to discard. So if you look at this example that I put for my video, this video, it's turned orange. Orange simply means that it's near performing, its potential is really high, and so I could use it as a matrix. So what I'll do with that video, I'll go back to my YouTube analytics and click on the content and go to the actual video. Click on the video, and under that video, I'll go to analytics, and then I will either just scroll down because what I'm looking for is just down there under analytics, or you can go to engagement. So when you scroll down there, that is the retention graph. That, my friend, is our gold mine. On the retention graph, we're going to look at those little mountains that are showing. Those are spikes. That is the audience's language to you. That's the audience communicating with you and literally telling you that I watched this again and again, so give me more of this. And that is where the magic is. That's where it matters. So what we'll do on those spikes, those mountain moments, we're going to go to where the spike starts and record the time at which it starts. And under the timestamp column under spike, you record where it starts. And then you look for the other end of the spike at where it ends. You record that timestamp at the drop. Once you've done that, all tools down, you're going to go back to your video and listen at that segment moment. Listen it attentively, clearly, and honestly, so that you can record exactly what was done, exactly what was said, any emotions that were there. Literally write what you did or said. Once you've done that, you can repeat between 5 to 10 videos. I prefer 10 videos because that way you have data. If you look at my analysis of the video that I just did, you recognize that I was talking about the algorithm and how it can work in your favor, and also about the target audience. Already that gave me a clue that my audience was looking for information, actionable information on how it can get the algorithm to work in its favor. Literally, I didn't have many views on this video, but I had enough information to help me pivot and help me make content that will really be relevant to suit my audience and also my passion for the niche that I have chosen. Once you have dissected all that, you're good to go. But you want to find out why your viewers kind of like connected at that point. What is their frustration? What is their pain point? What are they looking for? And so in the next video, we're going to discuss why viewers took time to listen to that segment. This, in essence, will help you shape your content strategy. If you found this video valuable, please give it a like so that the algorithm will be able to recommend this video to the next person who needs the same information. Thank you so much for joining me. Always a pleasure to have you. And always remember, God loves you.